Hey kids, how's everyone? Today I am a magician and I'm going to play a game with you. I'm so excited. Are you ready? Look, this is a beautiful theater where everything can happen, and I've got a special box with me. We are going to uncover the secrets in here. Okay, so before seeing what's inside the box, we have to remember the body parts we're seeing. So what is it? It is a nose. It is a nose. What is it? It is a mouth. It is a mouth. What are they? They are ears. They are ears. And what are they? What are they? They are eyes. They are eyes. Great. Okay, today we are adding some new body parts on the top. What is it? It is a back. It is the back. And what is it? It is a belly. It is a belly. What are they? What are they? They are knees. They are knees. And what are they? What are they? They are shoulders. They are shoulders. Great. Okay, we are ready. So, time to play with the box. Let's just see. Okay, the box is shaking, so something is inside. And we need to find it out. What's inside the box? Maybe the nose, the mouth, the ears, eyes, or shoulders, knees, right? Belly and back. Yes? You'll see what's inside, but not me. So you need to help me. Okay, let's say these together. What is it? 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 Okay, that is a question. So that means it's just one part. Is it a nose? Is it a nose? Okay, no. Thanks for telling me. Is it a mouth? Is it a mouth? Oh no, it's not a mouth. And is it the back? Is it the back? Yes, it's the back. So let's open it. And beautiful. That's how it works. The letters B, A, C, and K get back in place. Great. Now let's continue. And whoa, we got a different box now. I love it. And the question this time is, what are they? What are they? So if we have that question, that it means it's not just one part like a nose or a mouth, but a double part. So ears, eyes, knees, shoulders, or knees. I count with your help. Are they knees? Are they knees? No, they're not. Oh no, they're not. Okay. Are they eyes? Are they eyes? No, they're not. Okay, no, they're not. All right. Let's keep trying. Are they ears? Are they ears? No, they're not. Again, no? Oh, okay. All right. So, are they shoulders? Are they shoulders? Yes, they are. Yay! Great! Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, let's open it. Ta-da! S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-S. Shoulders. Great. Beautifully. Everything in its place now. One more time. And oh, wow. This box is huge. The question again is, what are they? What are they? Well done. Let's see. Are they knees? Yes, they are. Oh, yes, that fast? Okay. Come on, open. Oh, no, the box is not getting open and it's shaking. What's going on? Okay. Maybe, I have an idea. Maybe there's something more. Yes? So, are they knees and eyes? Eyes? No, they're not. Are they knees and a mouth? No, they're not. Okay, no. Are they knees and a belly? Yay! And a belly! Great! So voila! And wow, how many birds! And they will carry the different letters. K-N-E-E-S, knees. And belly, V-E-L-L and Y. Super! I love these tricks. Great.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, let's keep learning. And today we still work with the structures, what is it and what are they? Remember, when we have the question, what is it? We need to answer, it is a, dun, dun, dun. And when we have it in plural, what are they? We need to start with they are, okay? See that we need to trace over the structures and write the proper form, it is or they are. So let's go for, let me just take, what color? Yes, the blue. I'm going to use this blue marker to trace over W, A, H, A, T, what is, I, S, I, T. Well done. What is it? What is it? It is a nose. It is a nose. I, T, I, S. Great. Now let's go for the next one. What are they? What are they? So now I'm going to use this one. Okay. W, H, A, T, are they. Great. What are they? Very good. They are eyes. Great. Now let's go for the next one. Again, what are they? Because we have two. And this time I'm going to use my orange marker. Let me go for it. W, H, A, T, A, R, E, T, H, E, Y. Okay, and here, again, what are they? It is ears? They are ears. Well done. And finally, I'll go for the purple. What is it again? What is it? It is a mouth. Very good. Well done, guys.